हेलो एवरीवन, चलो सीखे ABCD। A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fan, G for girl, H for hen, I for ink, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for man, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for talk, U for umbrella, V for van, W for water, X for Xerox, Y for yak, Z for zero. Thank you.